pleasant day of each and everyone. Hi, my name is Aisha Alcabarce. I'm 20 from Bitalit 3G2. My strengths are that I am willing to learn something, a feeling of enthusiastic expression of a new experiences and challenges that I know I could be a way more better version of myself, and also have a self growth with more confidence. Also, I can adapt to the new environment, and also I could blend in to the some people around me. Moreover, I can be a reliable person, a worthy of your trust. I can be a buddy to anyone who is good to me. My weaknesses are doubting about myself of every decision that I make, because I always think the consequence first, that make me feel very anxious all the time. So I really avoided on making a decision on my own. I oversharing my thoughts and feelings to others, to think that in the saying of too good to be true, that's what I believe, because not everyone could understand us and make a right guess of what are we feel, to the point they use that information as a bite to destroy our life.